Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Senior Kitchen. Today we're going to make some saltfish fritters. Guys, to make your saltfish fritters, you have to soak your saltfish from overnight. That is, don't have a lot of salt inside of it. Guys, and when you soak it overnight, it don't take long to boil. You have to do it on one time. Just boil it for one time, for about 10 minutes. And if you don't want the saltfish fresh for the fritters. So guys, this is what I'm going to use into my saltfish fritters. Some chopped scallion, some chopped onion, some all-purpose seasoning, small amount of all-purpose seasoning, small amount of black pepper, and a small amount of fish season. And I have some crushed bonnet pepper, and I also have my turmeric. Turmeric is very good for your fritters and it's very good for your health, because guys, when you eat turmeric into your fritters, you do not want it to finish. You don't have to use any curry into your fritters. Just use your turmeric into your fritters. So guys, it's time to put our saltfish to boil for 10 minutes. So guys, our saltfish is finished to cook. And here is our saltfish. Guys, remember to pick out your bone from your saltfish. Guys, when you're going to make your fritters, before you put that saltfish into your fritters, remember to taste it, guys, before you add any salt in it. If it's a person who loves salt, because if it's saltfish have a lot of salt in it, you do not need to put any salt into that fritters. Guys, remember, when you are making your fritters, you have some family member around you, we cannot eat a lot of salt. Suppose you have your mom around you, guys, or your grandma, and you know they cannot take a lot of salt. Because guys, remember, our health comes first. So guys, remember to use as much season what good for your health, not overdo it, guys. Because the person say, like, I love when something salt. Yes, I understand, but remember, too much salt is not good for our body. So guys, I got about a cup and a half of flour I have here, and I'm going to put about half teaspoon of baking powder into my flour. Guys, I don't like a lot of baking powder into my fritters. Guys, I'm going to put in the saltfish. I'm going to add in my scallion and all of my ingredients together. My turmeric. Guys, are going to mix all my ingredients together. So guys, it's time to add our water. Guys, you can see the color of the turmeric coming, popping through out of the flour. Guys, look at the turmeric. Guys, look at it. Look at it pretty. The color is so pretty. You can see the crushed bonnet pepper, the scallion, the onion, all of the spice what we use inside of it, guys. It's just so popping out of the flour, coming out. Guys, look at it. Look at the color of the turmeric. The pretty color of the turmeric give, man. Here, guys. We don't want our fritters too watery too, you know. Oh, look at it, guys. Guys, now it's time to get our oil into our pot. And guys, remember, you're not going to fry your fritters on a high flame. very low flame. Take it own time and fry. Don't force fry your fritters. So guys, it's time for me to drop our fritters into our pot. Guys, if you're a person who loves tomato into your fritters, you can go ahead and use it. But guys, I do not love tomato into my fritters. Guys, nothing wrong with it. You can go ahead and use your tomato into your fritters if you love tomato into your fritters. So guys, it's time for me to check our fritters and turn it. I'm going to have to change the fork. The fork will give me trouble to turn my fritters. So guys, I have to change my fork. The fork not working out for me. So guys, it's time for me to remove our fritters. And also we're going to remove the pepper.